Here we are with our Zoom H1n audio recorder, and we had this problem last week where the mounting screw I put in here went in too far and damaged the PCB board inside here. So we fixed that last week. If you want to know how that worked, there is a video up there in that corner if you click on it. So now we have this on here and we can mount whatever we want on here. This is like a flash shoe for like those cameras where you can slide it on, mount it like that. Now I also got myself this thing here from the Amazon. Those are wind protection sleeves. So this one they probably cut off a raccoon the tail, and this here is foam. Let's see how that works out. It's specifically for the Zoom thing here. Looks like somebody sat on it. Does it have a front and back? It looks like. So I'm not sure which side is what, but let's insert it. Both microphones go in here easily. Maybe they want to do this the other way. Not sure. No. It fits. But yes. So now you have this, if you can see the shape from the side, it's a little oddly shaped here. I would think maybe it belongs this way. But it's also possible that it looks a little odd because it is sitting in the back so long. Who knows how it expands when it sits outside for a while. But so this is the typical reporter shape of the foam around it, right? And then you can ask questions this way. Hey, you have something to say? Say it now. Down below in the comments. Okay, so this is one of them. And then here is the second one. So there is this whole kit comes with two. This here is like an animal tail. Wow. Does it smell like anything? That's synthetic. Okay, so now let's see how that goes. It's relatively easy to put on. All the switches and everything is still accessible. Yep. And it's super fluffy. I am 100% sure that this will be working at some point. You see the colors? Looks like skunk. But yes, so that's gonna work great. And it came in those little two plastic bags here. You just want to hear it, how the sound is, right? Now, I do not have any wind noise down here. Okay, so I'm recording now. Yeah, hello. Now you can hear me better, much better. This is with the Zoom H1n, and we have this wind protection thing in front of it, and it's like golden sound. I can tell you it's the best ever. 1, 2, 3, 4, test. Yeah, so I hope you like this. Maybe I can do a test outside in the storm. Just have to wait for a storm. That will be in the next video.